Okay, in our last video for today, I'm going to take you through theme options. With themes are whichever theme that we're currently using. These are all themes that we have under the Integrity Network. Hero is the one that we are currently using, and over here you can see different options that we have under that. But we're going to go over to the left side and we're going to click Theme Options. Now we're in Hero. This is a way you can upgrade and get more options to do up here at the top. But on our theme option page, you'll see all these settings up here for tabs under theme options. If you wanted to change the logo that we have on there, you can import, you can upload a different logo, that kind of thing. But really, everything we're going to deal with right now is under home page settings. So there's a welcome text that I simply wrote, "Welcome to the Integrity Network." You'll see on all these things, if I misspelled something or left something out, or you need to go in and change something, this is where you would do it under Theme Options, Home Page Settings. Okay, so welcome to the Integrity Network, homepage welcome text. So if we go to the site and we scroll down, I have this exploded out. Here it is right here, welcome to the Integrity Network. So you can say anything you want right there. You just type out anything you want to say. Our story right here is, I'm going to open a second page so we don't have to flip back and forth. Okay, so I'll have this over here and we'll just flip back between these two, but we won't have to flip back and forth. Okay, so our story right here is this little button right here, which says our story. And you can call that button, that's the welcome button. You can call it for more information, you could call it Obamacare info, whatever you want to call it. Then here, this next part is the link to what page you want the button to link to. So when you click on the button that says our story, right now this is where it will take you. Now the link, as I'm sure you know, let's go to this page, is right up at the top. This right here. If you wanted when they hit our story to go to this page that's showing up here, you simply go up here and highlight it, copy it, put it in right here, paste it in, and when they hit the Our Story, it will go to that page. The slider heading is on. The slider heading is on the home page. It's only on the home page with is this part over here that says your path to Christian healthcare. Read more. That's the same thing. We've got a link set up for that. So you can set this slider black box up, and it will you can type in anything. Again, if I misspelled something, if I didn't say something correctly, you simply sorry, that all popped up. You simply go over here and under the black box, slider 1, right now I have your path to Christian healthcare, to your family, your employees, anything you want to change in there, any edits you want to make are simply here on home page settings under theme options. Okay, theme options, home page setting. You scroll down and you can make any changes you want to in the text that I put there. The same applies to all the stuff. Now here on the home page, I was making Jim Clark dizzy with the two images because the default change, and I don't know how to change it, change between the two images is real fast. And so what I did was I made the first image, it just takes 2 images, and the second image is the same. So, and I did the same thing with the black box heading and text. So it actually changes, but you don't see it change. So it's got the same 2 images up there. The thumbnails down below, I think these are all pretty self-explanatory, but the thumbnails down below are called the home page box settings. There's 3 of them. There's box 1, box 2, and box 3. Same thing is with everything with everything else. If you want to create an image for whatever you're talking about, it's simply, you look up here and it's 295 pixels by 158 pixels, and you make your image that size. Then you remove it here with this little button here, and you upload your new image, and then that image will be in there. But what it says underneath that image is right here, how much do you know? Test your own knowledge. It's what you write, and that's what will appear as it does down here. And then there's also a link button, so that when you hit read more, it will take you to the page, just like any of these other things that we've talked about. It will take you to it's linked to a page that you want to send them to. And that page can also be off-site. It could go to Soter or anybody else that we're working with. It doesn't have to be a page, another page on the Integrity Network. So all 3 of these home page, box 1, box 2, and box 3, you can change them at your discretion. And all the info, the links, everything else is right here, and it's very clear on what. This one goes to Tape Publishing to satisfy a soft agreement we had with Ken Lambert for the article we got written, and so we're currently for a short time promoting his book. When you feel like that promotion has run long enough, you simply replace this with any other thumbnail you want and send it anywhere you want it to go to. So that's really all there is. And of course, you have to save everything each time, or it won't renew itself. So that's the last thing we're going to talk about today. So in review, we talked about pages, how to add a page. We talked about users, how to add a user, how to add an admin person so they can go in and do all these changes themselves, and we talked about adding a new page, but also going in and editing pages to try to correct things that I've done. Anytime there's a button that's not working, it's going to be the link is a problem. So you just go look for that, whatever that button is, and see where it's being linked to. If it's not working, just set up the link. It's very, very simple to set the link up and have it go where you'd like it to go. All right. Call me with anything, but I hope these 4 short videos have really told you what you need to know to get in there and do what you need to do. All right. Take care, guys. See you later.